Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is one of the most influential personal finance books ever written because it explains money in a way most people were never taught. Robert grew up influenced by two very different father figures, each with a completely opposite view of money and success. One was highly educated, a school teacher with advanced degrees and a respectable government career. The other had little formal education but a strong entrepreneurial mindset. Despite what logic might suggest, the educated teacher became the poor dad, while the entrepreneur became the rich dad. Poor dad's philosophy was built on security. Go to school, get good grades, find a stable job, and work for a reliable paycheck. Rich dad's philosophy focused on financial education. Learn continuously. Read books, attend seminars, take risks, fail, and learn from experience. Caught between these two perspectives, Robert chose to observe how their lives unfolded. Over time, poor dad advanced in his career and earned a solid income. At one point, he even ran in a local election. Guided by strong moral values, he participated but lost. Unfortunately, he had run against a superior. After the election, he was fired. With no stable income and a family to support, he invested all his savings into a business he didn't fully understand. The business failed. Burdened by debt and disappointment, he eventually accepted defeat and lived on unemployment benefits for the rest of his life. Meanwhile, Rich Dad continued learning. He started multiple businesses, many of which failed. He lost money, but gained knowledge. He learned sales, marketing, leadership, and how to manage people and risk. Over time, his experience compounded, and eventually, he built income streams that far exceeded anything Poor Dad ever earned. Core lesson: failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of the process. After witnessing both paths, Robert chose to follow Rich Dad's advice. Although he earned a strong salary as a U.S. Army officer after the Vietnam War, he knew that a paycheck alone would never make him wealthy. So he left the military and took a commission-based sales job at Xerox specifically to learn how to sell. Poor Dad was furious, but Robert had a plan. He focused on learning, not money. He worked in sales, marketing, and advertising, gaining skills instead of chasing comfort. Eventually, he launched his own businesses. Many failed, but over time, he succeeded. He diversified his income through business as real estate, stock market investments, books, and royalties. All of his financial philosophy can be summarized with one simple concept: cash flow. The four financial categories: income, money you earn, salary; fees, commissions, expenses, bills, food, entertainment, taxes, assets.